Hi there.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Dr. Gerald Bock is a board-certified dermatologist who has been helping patients with their self-esteem,
I definitely feel more confident about myself in pictures and in person.
their youthful feel,
I feel fresh, I feel more vibrant, I just feel wonderful. It was the best thing I could have ever done.
and keeping their cosmetic improvement expectations in check for more than 30 years.
People want perfection, and I say we don't produce perfection, we produce improvement. We try to be very careful, very conservative. We try to have people have realistic expectations, and we try to price in a reasonable fashion.
At the California Skin Laser Center, patient satisfaction and safety are the top priorities. These before and after pictures of some of his patients are testimonials to his work. It's important to note every procedure performed by Dr. Bock is done under local anesthesia. That translates to a more affordable and safer procedure.
The risk of general anesthesia is gone. I've had a number of patients who've said to me that they've had facelifts in the past, and the worst part was recovering from the general anesthesia.
This is just a sampling of the unusually large list of what else is offered by Dr. Bock. The wide-ranging options of cosmetic procedures gives patients a unique advantage, all under one roof.
We do a lot of Botox, and in a lot of places Botox is injected by nurses, so all the Botox is injected by me. We do a lot of fillers, a lot of Restylane. We do a lot of lip enhancement, which is very much of an artistic endeavor. We do liposuction. We do the max lift, which is sort of a modified facelift. It's the front half of the facelift, and it's less surgery, less downtime, less risk, and less expensive, but gives pretty much the results of a facelift.
There's an operating room, 4 additional exam and laser treatment rooms, a place to buy makeup, a place called the warming room to relax, complete with a fireplace, chocolates and rose petals, and even a world-class spa right on site. Another unique feature is the skin evaluation device known as the Visia Complexion Analysis System. It can break down a patient's facial characteristics and help design rejuvenation and skincare programs for their specific complexion. Everything inside this state-of-the-art facility reflects the vision, compassion, and care of this highly respected dermatologist who was the first physician to perform liposuction in San Joaquin County. Though he's been a staple in this area for more than 3 decades, he always stays up to date with the latest trends. Dr. Bock has seen a lot of changes over the past 30-plus years in cosmetic procedures, but one thing that hasn't changed is the way that he cares for his patients.
It's not good for us, it's not good for the patients, for someone to be out there and to be unhappy. And if we can do anything within reason to make the person happy, well, we'll go out of our way to do that.
I just love Dr. Bock. He tells me exactly what I need. It makes me feel good because he has my best interest in mind.
That sincerity really comes across with him, and you know that when you're in his care, it isn't about how much he could sell you on. And I liked that.
There are registered nurses on staff, licensed estheticians, a makeup artist, and many others who are under the supervision of Dr. Bock, and they are committed to making sure a patient understands that he or she is not just another file on the wall. They make sure the patient experience is second to none.
So we would like to make contact with that patient and reassure that patient that they're going to be okay, that they're in the best hands here.
So for those of you who think your youth has passed you by, think again. This is a place that can help you turn back the hands of time.
We have people come in who say that we've changed their lives and that their lives are dramatically better, and we never promise anybody that we'll do that, and we don't promise them happiness, but yet we do see these people who come in and they're just extremely grateful, and it's extremely rewarding and gratifying.